Hello everybody, it's Here Comes Awesomeness, and I'm here to bring you a video about my RC helicopter. It's called INTERCEPTOR. I made a previous video about it, you can go check it out. And I'm going to be flying it and show you the flight, how it is, how it takes off. And yeah, if you like the video, please comment, subscribe, and leave me a thumbs up. And let me just turn it on. And I'm going to be playing on Pro mode. See? Yeah, let's see how it goes. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. I can easily fly it. Right now I'm not having any difficulties. Pretty awesome. Yeah, it's easy to move. I find it better than a regular small helicopter. If you would like me to do, if you would like me to do a video of ground. Sorry about that. Ground, like I'm playing on the ground or something. Just leave me a comment below. I'll do it outside. So yeah, it's pretty cool, the flight option. It's a bit heavy, but I found the battery pretty good. The controller right here. Yeah, if you would like me to do like a option of like outside or something, just leave me a comment below. Or I would be doing a video of it later. Yeah. If you like another video, please comment, subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and yeah, peace out.